This video will show you how to set up a remote extension on 3CX. On the 3CX Management Console, navigate to Extensions. Select the Add icon. This is where you can add the user's information. Input the user's extension number, first name, last name and email address. Click OK. The user will now appear within the extensions list. Select the user by clicking the square located on the left. Now select Send Welcome Email. The new user will receive an email instantly from 3CX regarding their extension details. A URL is provided to access the 3CX web client along with a username and password. Log into the 3CX web client using the account details provided in the email. This extension is now set up and you can make calls to colleagues and external contacts.